Hello, and welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we're going to demonstrate some of the selection features in Fidelity Pointwise, specifically the select all and unselect all and toggle all features to be able to select your various grid entities. I've read in the NIDA glider example for this demonstration that you can see before you. And I'm going to concentrate just on database entities for this video, but the selection process works for any entities you want. I'm going to go up to my mask and deselect everything and select just the databases. And so now if I go to the File menu, Select, and drop down to Select All, you can see that all my database entities have now been selected by the highlight. If you go back to the Select menu, you'll see next to Select All is a key sequence, Control A, that is our shortcut key. And if I'm in the View window and I hit Control A, again, all of my features will be selected. If I go back to the Select menu and drop down the next feature of Unselect All, as the name describes, it will unselect all of the entities. Again, in the Select menu, you'll see that there is a shortcut key sequence for this as well, Control D for deselect. So if I'm in the View window and I hit Control D, again, all of my entities will be deselected. The third option in Select is the toggle selection. And as the name implies, it will toggle all the entities either on or off depending on their current selection status. And once again, there is a shortcut key sequence for the toggle selection as well. Next, select toggle selection, you'll see the Control T for toggle. Again, if I'm in the window, I hit Control T. Each time it toggles the entities on and off. Now, where this feature may be useful is when you want to select most of your features, but not all. So for this case, if I wanted to select all of the databases but the fuselage, I can select the fuselage database, then use Control T for toggle, and now I have everything selected but the fuselage. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line down below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.